Healthy food doesn't have to be boring or complicated. What if you could make quick, flavorful meals that are actually good for you using just your air fryer? Today, I'm sharing 10 easy and healthy air fryer recipes that are perfect for busy days, quick dinners, or even meal prep. Let's start with a classic, lemon garlic salmon. It's juicy on the inside, slightly crisp on the outside, and packed with fresh citrus flavor. Plus, it cooks in under 10 minutes. Next, crispy air fryer chicken breast. Golden on the outside, tender inside, and loaded with protein. Perfect for a clean, satisfying meal. If you're craving something crunchy, sweet potato fries are a must. They're naturally sweet, crispy, and way healthier than regular fries. For something light and quick, try air fryer shrimp. It's garlicky, fresh, and ready in just minutes. Perfect for salads, rice bowls, or wraps. Now let's add some color. Roasted veggie medley. A mix of broccoli, carrots, and zucchini that's simple, nutritious, and full of flavor. For a protein boost, turkey meatballs are a great option. They're juicy, easy to prep, and perfect for meal prepping your week. Need a quick breakfast idea? Veggie egg cups are fluffy, filling, and super convenient for busy mornings. And if you're looking for healthy snacks, you'll love apple chips and kale chips. They're crispy, light, and perfect when you want something crunchy without the guilt. For a bold dinner option, barbecue chicken thighs are always a win. They come out smoky, juicy, and perfectly glazed in the air fryer. The best part about all these recipes? They're quick, simple, and require very little oil, making them a healthier alternative without sacrificing taste. So whether you're cooking for your family, meal prepping, or just trying to eat better, your air fryer can make it easier than ever.